What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Guys, you are reading that correctly in the title. This algorithm here, built by myself here, has actually generated over $53,000 since the start of its first trade on September 15th of this year. Okay, guys, I'm going to get rid of this camera right over here so you can tell exactly what's going on, right? So take a look at this right down here, right? Your first entry long, exit long, that was performed on September 15th of 2024 at that timestamp right there, you guys. So this algorithm, this is what I wrote here, right? This has cataloged every single individual trade that it has performed since that September 15th of this year till today. So just a little over 3 months here, guys, and $53,000 generated with this algorithm, guys. And the reason why I'm mentioning it to you is because for the first time officially, I am making it available to the public, and I am releasing it for a ridiculously small price that you're not going to believe. You're going to be able to find that small price right in the description below. Use the square link, guys. I'm only giving this away to the first freaking 60 people that get it. It's first come, first serve. Okay, you guys, I'm literally giving this away for almost nothing at all. Like, all you got to do is click that link in the description below, right? It's the square link. You'll see it. It's Momentum Channels, right? The Snowflake bundle give out, right, guys? So that is gonna give you here 2 different variations of this the strategy, right, guys? It's gonna give you this the back tested strategy that actually does the automated trading and can be connected by API key to any broker, really, guys. And also, I am going to give you the Momentum Channels Lite, which does not have the system built into it. It has just your typical buy and sell conditions. So even in this, guys, check this out. Buy signal here, sold right at this point, re-entry out here, and you can see that it has not given us any sell signal just yet. So both of these are incredibly powerful, built around the same strategy and built around the same parameters, right, you guys? So just so you know what's happening here, right? We started off with a base account on September 15th with $40,000, right? Buying and selling 15,000 coins at a time, every single shot to the entry, and that's what created here, guys, a max drawdown of $2,100 against your $93,662 gains here, guys. So massive profitability, and it has executed 2,982 trades in that 3-month period. So what you're observing here, guys, is very much like a hedge fund. This is a high frequency trading system that I built right here, guys. For those of you who know me, you know me. I am a statistics guy, and I am also an algorithmic guy, right? I write my algorithms, and I write my code, and I put it out there, guys. So this is guys. Just you let me know what you want to do. But yes, the link is in the description below, guys, and everything will be cool, you guys. But yeah, I think that was just about it from what I wanted to show you on this, right, you guys? All right, yeah. Anyway, team. So this is not just the video here. We have buy signal here and suggesting upside even still. Guys, this is not a video to just kind of talk about this algorithm here that I believe can help the retail community out within cryptocurrency. It's also to give you the price probabilities leading into tomorrow, guys. So you can see right down here, guys, that we came back down and tested right at this yellow line here. If you kind of follow this yellow line to the left, you'll notice that we also based around this area back here on December 5th this year, right? So that's a pretty nice area for us to consider some nice bounces towards the upside, and that's kind of where we're hovering, right? So what I'm trying to say here is that, if this area, around here, right, the $2.16 level to around the $2.18 level, if that gets penetrated to the downside, and we have something as small as maybe even a bi-hourly 3-hour close below that level, then having a settlement like that would actually encourage price to come back down and test the relative lows, right? $2 to around that 192 that we talked about the other day before it actually happened, right, guys? So I am absolutely stoked and ecstatic to be able to present this information to you, okay, you guys? So let's find out here using our proprietary tools that we've built here within the Argo Bulls trading community. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP's continuation using historical linear volatility versus stochastic momentum. Let's start off with a granular time frame, right? 15-minute time frame on this. Gonna get rid of the drawings. Yeah, it's looking like we have a little bit of an upside pump coming in, you guys. Still a little bit of consolidation. Looks like a little bit of a bull flag there as well, and breaking out of this critical resistance right in here, right? So that's looking okay. That does typically lead towards an upside continuation. Okay, so the 30-minute time frame is already experiencing the potential downside, right? 14 minutes to close on that. Very impressive upside on very impressive volatility spike. But with this kind of volatility spike and this kind of upside on stochastic momentum, that makes me believe that your hourly and bi-hourly are probably set for a go, man. So hourly time frame, there you go, right? Perfectly set to the upside inside of the gravitational zone with a signal fired beyond with volatility spiking beyond the 15% of critical contraction. Bi-hourly time frame, check this out, guys. It's about to feel it, right? We still have an hour and 13 minutes to close this bar as well, right? But it's still suggesting that upside continuation. So yeah, that hourly time frame is incredibly powerful. Bi-hourly time frame is suggesting that upside. And now actually I am seeing a little bit of a smaller time frame. I guess yeah, there's that formation right there. Okay, you guys, so we're looking at we just have to put it down sometimes, guys, whatever, right? We're looking at a very, a little weird inverse head and shoulders, right, guys? Of course, we're going to do some little crayon drawings here and show you some of the probabilities here using something as simple as this strategy here, right, guys? It's just formation analysis is not typically the best to observe, but of course, this can give you implied prices or price objectives, right? So the price objective on this is leading towards our resistance level, of course, at $2.30, $2.3078. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and now take a look at the continuation towards that upside into deeper time frames, right? Bi-hourly time frame upside pivot, 3-hour time frame getting a little bit of that corrective pivot towards the upside as well. So yeah, that's telling me here that we would have about in the immediate short term, right, over the span of the next couple hours, we have an upside worth about 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'd say just about 3 hours worth of upside. So let's pull up one more of our algorithms here, guys, that give us the information live, right? So this is feeding us information of the underlying asset, right, as we go. So what I'm looking for is the current ATR. So this is giving us about 8 cents, a little over 8 cents of upside from the opening of this 3-hour bar, right? So that would indicate here that we would potentially be topping out at around $2 and I'd say $2.32. And if we take a look at here, you're going to go ahead and notice that $2.32 is right in the middle of my section here. I always tell you guys, mind the 50% of your range, right? So if that is the case, guys, yeah, we are looking pretty damn good with these bounces coming out of these zones right here, right, guys? So I think it's cool. I think it's good. It's looking okay. We got to still watch out for potential capitulation here, you guys, as BTC is kind of hanging around some critical zones, supports right now, guys. So yeah, if it starts breaking down below those that 95, I would say, yeah, 90 high 95s to low 95s or to mid 95s, that would certainly start bringing price action towards that 94,000, eventually into 93,552, and then have us retest that bottom side of around the 92,100. If that happens again, guys, that's likely going to have XRP resist touch down at those lows again, right down into the 196 to about 195 that we spoke about the other day, which we got before it happened, right? So this is a little bit of a bearish crossover happening on a 6-hour time frame, which is giving us a little bit of a hint for that downside temporarily, guys. So some more dollar cost averaging at the bottom sides down here at some supports maybe at hand. Okay, guys. So the top side, yeah, look at this. We were saying at 232 top. There you go. EMA 21 located at 231.56. EMA 55 at 232.63, magically speaking, right? And it is giving us the bearish crossover, right? You guys, this is your EMA 21 crossing below the EMA 55. And most importantly, the posturing on both of those moving averages are actually, well, yeah, they're pivoted towards the downside, postured to the downside. So that creates a pretty legitimate crossover and potential drop, okay, you guys? So not to say that this is going to drop all the way to 196. I'm telling you that there's just going to be a little bit of resistance here, so we have to watch out as this comes in, okay, you guys? So I will ask you guys to make sure to remember as well to sign up to the I am a stock and coins trading and charting instructor, right, guys? So make sure to get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com, because these courses, guys, the course for the very beginners charting and trading mentorship is going to start here next Thursday, and I need to get you guys enrolled on here, right? Make sure to make that New Year's resolution work out for you, okay, you guys? So ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com, sign up, and we will get you that syllabus and the disclaimer, okay, you guys? But most importantly, remember to have fun in the financial markets. Do not bet what you're not willing to lose, and make sure to have some dry powder on the side for incredible opportunities like the ones that have been presented here recently, right? Lots of liquidations happening, especially when we're heavily levered with futures trading, okay, you guys? Watch out with that, because the global open interest does spike, and there is usually a correction that can be had there in order to encourage the people to maybe long cash positions and not levered positions, okay, you guys? That's going to create a huge amount of volatility inside of the crypto space like you've seen lately, okay, you guys? But with that said, I think this is a pretty good place to leave off the video. If any questions or concerns, you already know where to reach out to me. Get yourself that algorithm. First come, first serve. First 60 people to get it will absolutely have lifetime access to this algorithm, okay, you guys? So yeah, that said, I love you guys, and we shall talk very, 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 very soon. All right, team. Peace out. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as it cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell on Monday. Adios, team.